boy.
Let's get it, boy. Boys out here in Montana, doing a little off-road and fly fishing. There they are right there. The boys are back in town. He's a good boy. It's pretty good. Cheers, brother. Riley, come here. You were casting it like a champ.
Yeah, and then I got like mixed up, and then I don't like the unmixed thing, so I gave up on that. But we're gonna get back tomorrow. I have a 2-day camping pass.
Fishing pass.
Same thing.
Shrimp on the bottom.
Shrimp.
One pound steelhead. You want some of this?
Check with this.
Yup. I'll
move it for you.
Motherfucking cops. How is it, Kyle?
So good. You should probably try it.
Yo, it's kind of gnar.
Welcome to Montana, bitch.
After spending time with some friends in Montana, we decided to travel west to Oregon. The travel ban was still in effect, but I figured there was enough camping around Mount Hood that we can hang out there for a week or so with a chance to possibly ski at Timberline.
That once you get control of people, if they start taking away civil liberties, if they started moving you through checkpoints when you were checking temperature, like that is a weird thing. It's like, okay, if we were in Alabama, I would fucking.
Oh, dude, we were out, put our feet here.
What up, dude? We are about to enter Oregon.
Shaming people.
What up? Not Oregon, Oregon.
We're gonna die.
What we didn't anticipate was how hard it would be to get a reservation to ski the mountain. It was damn near impossible.
I really hope we can ski in the next few days. Not feeling confident about it. Everything's closed around here. Damn, 201? You gotta be kidding me.
We obviously weren't the only ones looking to take advantage of the only mountain running lifts in the entire country.
We're out here, beautiful Clear Lake, Oregon, baby. Tried to make reservations to go skiing tomorrow. Didn't work. I don't know what the fuck. We're gonna try again tomorrow.
We tried every day, 3 days straight.
Go! Alright, and the race is on. Boom.
And on that last day, honestly, I'd given up hope. But with 2 minutes to spare, we decided to give it a shot.
Here in the woods, figure we might as well give it one more go. See if we can get reservations to ski. It's doubtful, highly. It's a fucking hoax, it's rigged, it's rigged. Just go, boom, submit.
Sure enough, we got it.
Holy shit. We got it.
What?
I think we're going skiing tomorrow. Holy shit.
We got to ski the first mountain to run its lifts since COVID shut down all the mountains in the country. I made a whole video about our time out in Mount Hood. You should go check it out.
Fuck yeah.
So finally, after successfully finishing off our 2020 ski season, we cleaned out the truck, packed it out, and headed west to the coast. This is where all our road trip experience would really be tested. I wasn't sure how fun and camping on the coast would be, but by this time I was confident enough that we could do it. But first, we took our chances spending a day exploring Portland. I wanted to avoid big cities on this trip, but I couldn't resist. Safe to say it didn't disappoint.
I'm ready, baby.
And good thing we got there when we did. Had it been a week later, we'd be right in the middle of the riots.
Damn. Dude, this...
Damn right, yeah. Fuck yeah, dude. What up with it? We out here in motherfucking
Best falafel ever. Chinatown.
Fuck yeah, dude. Look at that. This is sick.
And after a day in Portland, it was off to the coast. And that's where the journey continues.
Potatoes, zucchini, onions, avocados, and some green leaves.
Bad boys go to heaven.
Good girl, go to hell.